India mourns the loss of a towering figure in its political history. Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has passed away at the age of 92. What led to this somber moment? Here's what we know. India's former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh breathed his last on Thursday evening, December 26th, at Delhi's AIIMS. He was admitted to the hospital's emergency department earlier that day around 8 p.m. Details about the cause of his death remain unclear, but the news marks the end of an era for Indian politics. Dr. Singh, aged 92, was widely respected for his intellect, humility, and transformative contributions to the nation's economy and governance. Dr. Singh served as India's Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014. Known for his economic acumen and integrity, he is celebrated for his pivotal role in liberalizing India's economy during his tenure as Finance Minister from 1991 to 1996. Singh retired from the Rajya Sabha, concluding a remarkable 33-year journey in the upper house. He represented Assam for 5 terms before shifting to Rajasthan in 2019. Singh first entered the Rajya Sabha in 1991, just months after becoming finance minister under P.V. Narasimha Rao. Over 5 terms, he represented Assam before transitioning to Rajasthan in 2019. India's 14th Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh is lauded as a thinker, a scholar, and an approachable leader. Born on September 26, 1932, in Punjab, he excelled academically from an early age. After completing his matriculation from Punjab University in 1948, Singh earned a first class honours degree in economics from the University of Cambridge in 1957. He followed this with a Doctor of Philosophy in Economics from Oxford University in 1962. His book, India's Export Trends and Prospects for Self-Sustained Growth, critiqued India's inward-oriented trade policies and showcased his sharp economic insight. His academic journey included teaching stints at Punjab University and the Delhi School of Economics, and later roles at international organizations like UNCTAD and the South Commission in Geneva. Dr. Singh joined the Government of India in 1971 as economic advisor in the Commerce Ministry. Over the years, he held key positions including Chief Economic Advisor, Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission, Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, and Chairman of the University Grants Commission. As Finance Minister from 1991 to 1996, Dr. Singh spearheaded India's historic economic liberalization. This era of transformative reforms is often identified with his vision and leadership. His contributions earned him numerous accolades, including the Padma Vibhushan, the Adam Smith Prize, and international awards for his work in finance and governance. Dr. Singh has represented India at various global platforms and led delegations to international conferences. He and his wife, Mrs. Gursharan Kaur, have 3 daughters.